I so appreciate your support and wishes. I do have an update. What is today? September 27th. This is the day before my dance recital. And I have purchased the lead encapsulation equipment. I have purchased the eco-friendly paint and bio shield. And I have rented and reserved the HEPA vacuum. I'm picking the vacuum up on October 2nd, next Wednesday. And then we're going to knock out the vacuuming in a week because I'm renting it for a week. And then the lead, what is it? Block X, Lead X, I don't know what the name of it is. It's the paint you paint over the lead paint. And then I have the eco-friendly BioShield paint. So this is actually happening, and it feels really good. This is actually happening, and it feels really good. Right now, I'm on my way to pick up my cell phone, which I left at the dance studio. And then I'm picking up my bike. And then I'm going to ride my bike over to my friend's house. And we're going to rehearse one more time before the show tomorrow. It's really funny because this is her last show and this is my first show. Well, her first show since I was like 7.